Hello, my soldering station is broken. So I have this thing here. It's Chinese. So I bought it because it has an embedded chemical hood with APA active carbon filter. So it sucks all the fumes when I solder. So the problem is that if I turn it on, apparently nothing happens. Okay, now I have something different. So you see, the original problem is that this button was not working. You see? I cannot switch it off. It's not like this one. Just a few moments ago, I could not turn it on. So I opened the lid, and after a quick inspection, I found this. So if I go here and I see the other side of the button, so if I push it like this, it moves a little bit. So it looks like that the spring is not really returning. So what I want to do, I want to remove the button and see if I can fix it. So I have to remove the wires. Okay. So just to be sure I will remember where they were connected, I took a picture before disconnecting all of them. So I disconnect. It's a little bit difficult. Okay, of course this doesn't come. There is always one thing like a wire or a screw that is more difficult than the others. Okay, good. I did it. And now I have to figure out how to remove this. Okay, let's see. Okay. I don't want to remove everything here. I want to try to remove the lowest number of things that I can. So let's try from this. Maybe I can remove it like this. Okay. Something is moving. Let's see. Maybe from here. It's always difficult to understand by reverse engineering something, how they assembled it. It's a quite difficult task. Okay, so let's see from here. No. I'm afraid that I have to remove everything. Maybe not. Maybe I can push a little latch from here. Let's see. Maybe it's like this. Yes. Okay. No, it's not that easy. It's not that easy. Okay. Let's go from here. It's quite difficult. Okay. No, I want to try again from this side. Maybe I have more chances. Let's see. So this button has a sort of metal ring around it that holds it in place. But it's not easy to understand how to remove it. Okay. So at this point I believe I need to remove something in order to have more room. So I will try to remove this transformer, so then I can have more room in order to work around it. Okay, let's put this here for later. Okay. So I'm undoing all the screws. There are 4 screws that hold this transformer, which is the transformer that converts 220 volts into 12 and 24 volts. So 12 volts are later converted to 5 for the logic of the electronics, and the 24 volts are the ones that will drive the hot resistor inside the tip of the soldering iron, so the one that will produce the heat for soldering. Okay. Here it is. Okay, another screw here. What is this? It's a spacer. Okay, another spacer here. Okay, this is the ground connection. Let's see if I can have more space now. Not really. Oh yes, a little bit. Okay, now I see better. Okay, so this is the guy you have to remove. It's here. I can also facilitate my life by removing this connector. Okay, now it's a little bit better. And I can also remove those 2 connectors. So the black is on the right and the blue is on the left. Okay. Let's put it like this. And there are other 2 spacers. Let's remove them. Okay. So now let's see whether I can remove this button or not. So I push it with this. Okay. Okay, now something is changing. Let's see. Yes, it moves a little bit. Okay, from here, this tool is very useful. It's a multi-purpose tool that really helps a lot in many different ways. Okay, I'm almost there.